So if I go to VL01N for order number 870 from shipping point RECH, what is our shipping point? Is it RC01? You can see order blocked for delivery as a result of credit check. Okay, and if you want to release this order, you can use transaction VKM3 or sorry, VKM2 or 3 is available. VKM1. No, there are actually, compared to ECC, there are a lot of transactions which are removed. So VKM in M1 is only available.
Okay. For delivery level, it was VKM3 in, and so that's okay.
Okay. Try to execute. You can see this is the order 870, and if you want to release, you have to click on this indicator and click on the release button. Okay, and obviously, as Nagesh said, that it is not like each and everyone can go and release it. Only those people who are authorized to come to the screen based on various different parameters. You can say if this is a customer or if this is a material, then only those persons are allowed to come here and release this. Okay, that has to be taken care by the authorization team. So you can come here, you can release it. You can see it is turned to green, save it. And now if you try to go to VL01N, okay, press enter. You can see it is another error which is nothing to do with the normal work that we are doing, the normal credit check that we are doing. Right, this is a normal error. So we are taking today's date. That is the reason it is not allowing, because today is Saturday. According to factory calendar, it would be delivered on 12. If I press enter, you can see system is allowing me to do the delivery also. Okay, and if you go to the BP master data, if you just go to BP and see how much is the total limit, out of which how much is already utilized, you will be able to see it very clearly. Okay, I think it is opened already. Maintain business partner. Sorry, this is the one that I opened. Okay, so our customer is this one. If I go to credit segment data, you can see for RECH what was the limit. The limit is still not available because it is still under approval. So limit is 10,000, out of which customer has already utilized 261600. Okay, how? If you click on this, it will tell you which are the sales orders which are created. You can see there are multiple sales orders which are created. Which are those sales orders? Just double click on this. There are 3 sales orders. Total value 87,200 including tax. Which are those sales orders? Go to this side, you will be able to see the order number also. If it is not appearing, you can click on this and you can bring the sales order number also here. I think it would be key. Yeah, 869, 870, 871. These are the 3 orders which are created, and total commitment, total exposure is 2,61,600. Although the credit limit was only 10,000, and that is the reason how many percentage it is showing. It is showing 2616% has been utilized. Okay, if you want to see the reports, various different reports which are available in FSCM credit management, you will go to accounting, sorry, logistics. No, sorry, it is accounting itself because it is FSCM. So accounting, FSCM, credit management, list display. These are the different reports which are available. So if you want to know what was the total limit, how much is utilized, you can double click on this. Enter your business partner number. This is not a customer number, and that is the reason in our business partner session we discussed that it is recommended to have the same business partner number as customer, so that you can avoid these situations where you remember the customer number but you don't remember the business partner. Okay, so if I am not entering the business partner, it will give me the list of all the business partners. So for all the customers, as of now, there is only one customer. You can see how much is the limit, how much is the utilization. It is clearly showing whether this is blocked, what is the risk class of this customer. So this report will help you to understand what is the current status of this customer. Why it is showing 0? I think it is still not saved. That is the reason. We need to save it. So if I go to transaction BP, start, 10,000 is saved. Accept it and save it. So now it is 10,000. Now you will be able to see that this amount will change. Let me show you. It is already changed, right? So earlier it was 71,000. Now it became, or not. Let me try to refresh this. Right, it is changed. So credit exposure is this much, which is this much percentage more than what was the credit limit. So if you go to this report again and try to refresh this report, it will show you the credit limit also. You can see the credit limit is 10,000 and credit exposure is 261,600. Okay. How much limit is exceeded? 251,600. Any questions? Now let's go to the order.
For delivery
Yeah, sorry,
clearing,
Nagesh.
delivery clearing, we used VKM5 or which T code we used?
For delivery, VL01N.
No, VL01, when we got the error in VL01N, to clear the error warning message or that error message over.
That was VKM1.
VKM1, okay.
VKM1, yes.
Okay, that's it. Yeah, thanks.
Okay, and then let's talk about the order number V. I think it was 280, which was created, but no credit check was performed because the credit check will be performed at the time of delivery. So if I try to do the delivery for if I try to do the delivery for 280, sorry, not 280, 870. We created 3 orders, 69, 70, and 71. So for this order, if I try to do the delivery, let me enter the picking quantity, which is for storage location S001, and picked quantity, let me put it as 10. Okay, let's try to do the PGI. No, this is the other error, but let me try to save it first. Okay, as of now, it is not taking the check. It is not performing the check in the background. So maybe what we will do, we will start from here in our next session. I'll show you how at the time of delivery, the credit check can be performed. Okay, what are the additional configurations required for that? And then we will continue with our other topics.
And the we discussed earlier that all 3 checkpoints should be active. That one also.
All 3 checkpoints?
Means at the order level, delivery level, and PGI level. All
Yes,
three.
same thing, Akshay. I'm saying.
Okay, I
Yes,
thought
same thing we need to see. It is working at the sales order level. The delivery and PGI, we will configure and we will activate those also.
Okay.
Okay. So tomorrow we will be having a common MM.
Okay. Along with MM, is it?
Yeah, tomorrow with MM, this credit management part we will park for tomorrow. We will talk about credit management in our next class. Tomorrow, we are going to have a common session with MM on MRP and availability control.
Okay. At what time?
Time, I think we will keep it at 10 a.m.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. So any changes you'll be sending via mail, right? Yeah, sure.
Yeah, no changes. I think it is final because even I'm going to have the FI session at the normal regular time. Only thing is MM and SD I want to consolidate because availability check and MRP is relevant for both.
Okay. Understood.
Okay.
Okay, thank you all. See you tomorrow. Bye. And please complete that project activity whenever you get time.
Yeah, sure, we'll do that. Yeah.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.